Kublai shubuni phi barok ki parlok ki biju page yakini ki channel na kapor shakapor. Hagan ega video ngidan banwan ra IP ya ki kam ki balai hapo jong ka office jong ka district social welfare officer East Khasi Hill district Shillong. Kerteng jong ka post kalong kumni multi purpose rehabilitation worker kawai ka post community based rehabilitation worker kawai ka post. Tengin page yakni ka advertisement kumbakalong tengah kerpat IP kinu ki bukwa ban apply da page yakni ka video na du basdang tu pandukun yakni gede galat berkekabu na kebentai ki candidate ba pinla ban apply ya kini ki post ka posting jong kini kadai Shillong. Ka Government of Meghalaya Office jong ka District Social Welfare Officer East Khasi Hill District Shillong ka kuat application ha ka standard form na kebentai ki eligible candidate ki badai ki citizens of India ban pendap ya kini ki post ki balai hapo jong ka Meghalaya Program and Rehabilitation of Person with Disability Scheme East Khasi Hill District Shillong kini ki post ki dai ha ka contractual basis ka banangkong kerteng jong ka post ki dai multi purpose rehabilitation worker skills kawai ka post bat kadai Mawpat ka area of operation lani ka posting kan long Mawpat CNRD block ka age limit kadai arpui hadu live sans nam bat sans nam kan ke relaxation na ka bentai ki SC bat SD candidate kerdan pule pide ban pendap class 11 pass bat ki khamjit ya ki candidate ki badan ya ka computer knowledge ki concept jong ka disability any disability certification course or experience. Tiki beladan ikni ki kerdan pule pila ban apply ya kene ka post salary kedai khatsan hajar news pa live ho akshibnai. Kabar kedai community based rehabilitation worker kawai ka post ka area of operation kalong circle 2. Ang ni circle 2 ka kentop ya kanong mensong pentor umkra pentor ba lum syam lang kerding ban Mawpat. Karta kalong arpui hidup live sans nam bat sans nam kendai ke relaxation na kebentai ki SC bat SD candidate karta kalong class 10 pass bat ki khamjit ya ki candidate ki badan ya ka computer knowledge some concept about disability any disability certification course lani experience salary kedai khat sawajar terus pak kendai pau akshibnai kini pada ki dai ki notice na kebenta ban submit ya ki application ki candidate ki day benlong domicile resident of the respective block to ki bala ban apply ki day benlong ki candidate ki badai na po jong kani ka Mawpat CNRD block tang ki candidate ki badai na po ka Mawpat CNRD block ki la ban apply ya kani ka post ki wei lada pidai na po East Khasi Hill Shillong ro lada piper ka block pinam la ban apply kajikaban submit ya ki application kadai hapo ka office jong ka district social welfare officer East Khasi Hill district Shillong lower Lachumiere behind golf gym during office hours kelas date ban priang ya ki application kadai arpo artrek banai me arajar arpendrew kabasau application duly filled in must be accompanied with attested copies of all testimonial bat ru pihak banda self attest ya ki copy jong ki dokumen ki jong phi baro bat dan kam artli kedur passport size bat kani kedur kedai ban attach bat ka application form ka bandreu kedai na ka bentai ki incomplete application kinsha reject te ke jaka ba pin submit kadai hapo jong ka office jong ka district social welfare officer East Khasi Hill district lower Lachumiere behind gold gym during office hours te ka tarik lani kelas date kedai arpo ar me arajar ar pendrew tekene kedai galat bat ki kabu na kebentai ki candidate ki bahap hapo jong ka Mawpat CNRD block kelada pidon kinu ki jing e hilak ban komen hapo comment section jong kene ke video kublai shibun.